Sam Shakespeare coming to you live. How's everyone doing today? Happy Monday. Let's see. So Mondays are a little slower by nature, but we do look like we have a little bit of movement here, so that's a good thing. Hey Jeffrey, how's it going? Morning, Fred. Basically, and I'll tell you this, the gist, the cycle of trades is basically the evolution of how trade patterns develop. And you usually will always consider ourselves, you can start with a dead market. Just start with a market just that's totally dead. All the boxes are aligned. Okay, as the market moves in one direction, a trend will form. Okay, and as the head of the snake moves out, you got a trend, and then that trend will pull back, leading into, actually before the trend pulls back, the trend goes way out into the zones, giving you a snapback. So when that trade is get a snapback, it pulls back. If it pulls back even more, you'll get a reversal. And then when that reversal works out really well, you'll get a bounce trade off the 60. Okay, and then you could get a 15-minute reversal after that one, maybe another bounce trade. Okay, and then and there's a couple steps in between with the preemptives and stuff like that. And the tripod, you'll get a tripod after a bounce trade, and then that could basically turn into another trend the other direction. So I'll put up some visuals and show you how that works. And it's kind of cool because you kind of know what to expect next. You kind of how the market is developing. It gives you a better feel for how the market moves and develops, and how the boxes move and how the patterns form. And it's really part of the master class, and it's really will give you a lot better understanding. But and so if you get good at understanding that cycle of trading, Fred, you'll understand where the trends are in that. So a trend will turn into a reversal, and you're thinking, is a reversal a new trend? Well, sometimes, but sometimes it's just a pullback in a big trend. It's just a pullback, so our 5-minute reversals could just be a pullback in a 15-minute trend or a 60-minute trend, right? But it's a true reversal on a 5-minute chart or a 1-minute chart. So, but these are multi-level patterns, and they give you kind of ideas like that. So yeah, once you've had a reversal and it's worked out well and it's broken above its white zone, and now you're in that above the white zone, you still have to wait for the pattern to form itself to give you that nice solid trend trade. But yeah, at that moment you're in the beginnings of a trend reversal, or at least consolidation, to decide what the market's going to do next. And right now we're getting cable moving, so I think we can legitimately say we've broken this L7. Let me get over here to the hour cable for a second. All right, so you see we're trying. I mean, I can't say it's officially broke, but we're definitely peaking under this thing here. Let's go to the 1 minute now, because we're basically looking at a 1-minute box. All right, and you can see we get a lower low. That 1-minute box, it works, right? Just as I was saying, just as that video I put in the announcement will show you. All right, so now we're into lower lows, so we should get some action, and we're fairly close to the L7. All right, so here we go. Cables coming back up at our level. I'm going to go give it a go here. All right, it's the riskiest type entry you could take, I think, on a trade. It's a 1 minute, and this thing could easily, there's a nice level here. Chris is probably looking back right now saying, you guys are nuts. I'm going to get in at 35. But in a momentum market, when we just get the fresh low, we just broke a big L7, we just came back and retouched it, I got to give it a shot. It's a 1 minute trend trade, 6 pips. We're already at a 1 minute slow car, and it's only a 1 minute trend. 7, 8. Come on. All right, we're at a slow car. That's pretty good for a 1 minute trend. Am I going to get 8 again? I don't know, guys. I'll take 7 though. That's a quick 7 on a 1 minute trend. I'm not upset with that at all. Not upset. On a Monday,